Welcome to Smart Interactive Displays powered by IQ. The powerful technology within your display provides you with one-touch access to a full suite of smart features and verified applications without connecting your computer. The IQ experience is an all-in-one experience for smartboard interactive displays with an abundance of built-in features to enhance instruction and engage your students in active learning experiences quickly and easily. The built-in features on your IQ-powered display include a dynamic whiteboard, a library of ready-made resources and widgets, a built-in web browser, and wireless screen sharing capabilities. If enabled by administration, signing into your display allows you to personalize your experience and provide you direct access to your Lumio files and other lesson content, making it easy to deliver lessons. You can also explore other apps in the apps library to enhance your lessons and further engage your learners. Use the Smart Interactive Displays IQ Whiteboard to create new whiteboard pages, as well as open, view, and interact with your files in your cloud-based storage. With the addition of collaborative workspaces, students are able to interact directly with your lesson content on their devices. Insert additional ready-made activities or digital manipulatives, or browse and customize widgets from the built-in widget library to create interactive stations. You can further enhance engagement with news articles, interactive maps, and videos, just to name a few, on the built-in web browser. Choose your content and pick up one of the smart pens for you and your students to interact with the content directly on the display. Interested in having your students share the digital artwork directly from their device? Or are you interested in sharing content directly yourself from a device, such as a smartphone or tablet, as you move around the room? Use IQ's built-in screen sharing capabilities to share your content directly with the display, and then use two-way annotation to make notes from the display or the device. The IQ experience on your smart interactive display is a powerful tool to present content and drive engagement in your classroom. By using the built-in features, you can make learning in your classroom interactive, hands-on, and powerful for your students. Explore the Getting Started in 5 Steps resources to learn more about all of the exciting features of your smart interactive display powered by IQ.